The Chevrolet Impala has always been a name that sparks nostalgia, power, and pure American muscle car heritage. But in 2026, Chevrolet has brought back a legend with a modern twist, and the Impala SS V8 is here to reclaim its throne in the world of performance sedans. Today on Elite Car Updater, we're diving deep into this iconic machine, exploring its interior, exterior, performance, and pricing to see if the reborn Impala SS V8 is truly worthy of its legendary badge. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS V8 is its exterior presence. Chevrolet has taken inspiration from the past while delivering a design that feels bold, modern, and aggressive. The wide stance and muscular proportions give it a commanding look on the road. The front fascia is dominated by a massive grille, finished in gloss black, flanked by slim LED headlights that sweep back with a sharp, menacing glare. The SS badge sits proudly in red on the grille, a clear nod to its performance pedigree. Lower air intakes are functional, channeling air to cool the big V8 engine that sits under the hood. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice long flowing lines with subtle sculpting that hint at both elegance and aggression. The coupe-like roofline adds a sporty character while still maintaining the practicality of a full-size sedan. 20-inch alloy wheels come standard, with optional 22-inch forged aluminum wheels for those who want an even more aggressive look. Red Brembo brake calipers peek through the wheels, instantly letting enthusiasts know this car means business. Around the back, the quad exhaust outlets integrated neatly into the rear diffuser reinforce its performance focus, while the LED taillights pay homage to the classic Impala design with a modern reinterpretation. Stepping inside, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS V8 feels like a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and muscle car spirit. Chevrolet has gone above and beyond to make the interior both driver-focused and premium. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum accents. The front sports seats are heavily bolstered, offering fantastic support. Whether you're carving up a mountain road or cruising on the highway, they are heated, ventilated, and even offer a massage function for long drives. At the center of the cabin sits a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by Chevrolet's latest MyLink system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The display is crisp and responsive, and the system integrates seamlessly with the 12.3-inch digital driver cluster that can be customized to show everything from navigation to performance metrics like G-forces, lap times, and engine data. 4. Audiophiles, an optional 18-speaker Bose premium sound system, delivers an immersive listening experience. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, with customizable colors that let you set the mood, whether it's a calm evening drive or a spirited night run. The rear seats are surprisingly spacious for a performance sedan, with generous legroom and headroom thanks to Chevrolet's clever cabin design. Passengers in the back are treated to their own climate control zone, USB-C ports, and optional rear seat entertainment screens. The trunk space is also practical, making the Impala SS V8 not just a performance machine, but a car you can actually live with day to day. But of course, the heart of the Impala SS V8 lies under the hood. Chevrolet has brought back the legendary 409 cubic inch V8, reimagined for the modern era. The naturally aspirated 6.7-liter V8 engine produces a staggering 550 horsepower and 520 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful sedans on the market today. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic transmission. Though enthusiasts will be thrilled to know a 6-speed manual option is also available. The Impala SS V8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, with a top speed of 180 miles per hour. The exhaust note is pure muscle, deep, throaty, and unmistakable, with active exhaust valves allowing you to switch between a quieter mode for city driving and a ferocious growl for track days. Chevrolet has also paid close attention to the handling of this large sedan. Adaptive magnetic ride control comes standard, adjusting the suspension in real time to balance comfort and performance. The steering is sharp and precise, giving the driver plenty of confidence whether pushing through tight corners or cruising on the open road. Brembo performance brakes ensure stopping power matches the brute force under the hood. Driving modes include Comfort, Sport, Track, and Custom, allowing drivers to tailor the car's personality to their liking. Fuel economy, while not the main focus of a car like this, is surprisingly decent for its size and power. Thanks to cylinder deactivation and start-stop technology, the Impala SS V8 manages around 16 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, making it slightly more efficient than you'd expect from such a powerful machine. Now, let's talk about pricing. Chevrolet has positioned the 2026 Impala SS V8 as a performance bargain in its segment. The base price starts at around $58,000, which is impressive considering the level of power and luxury you're getting. Fully loaded with options like the Performance Package, upgraded wheels, premium sound system, and advanced driver assist technologies, the price can climb to about $72,000. When compared to European rivals offering similar performance numbers, the Impala SS V8 undercuts them by tens of thousands of dollars, making it an attractive choice for enthusiasts who want muscle car performance with modern refinement. Chevrolet has also packed the Impala SS V8 with safety and driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes forward collision warning, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Advanced semi-autonomous driving features are also available, allowing the car to handle certain highway driving scenarios with minimal driver input. What makes the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS V8 truly special is how it bridges the gap between history and innovation. It pays tribute to the legendary Impala models of the 1960s, especially the 409, while bringing everything into the 21st century with cutting-edge technology, modern luxury, and jaw-dropping performance. It's not just a revival of a nameplate. It's a reinvention of what a full-size performance sedan can be. In a market dominated by SUVs and crossovers, the return of the Impala SS V8 is a bold move by Chevrolet, but it's one that enthusiasts will undoubtedly appreciate. It gives drivers the thrill of American muscle in a package that's practical, stylish, and packed with modern features. So, is the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS V8 worth the hype? Absolutely. For under $60,000, you're getting a car that looks stunning, drives like a true muscle machine, and still provides the comfort and technology of a luxury sedan. It's a car that makes a statement every time it hits the road, and one that ensures the legendary Impala name will live on for years to come. This has been today's in-depth review of the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS V8 on Elite Car Updater. If you're as excited as I am about this incredible return of a classic, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more reviews of the hottest cars coming your way.